All right, guys, today in math, we are going to start combining some of the different place value and number forms that we've been learning about in math the past couple days. So today, our goal is that I can write a number in standard form, expanded form, word form, and base 10 form when given any form. So basically, what that means is if I was given a number in, let's say, base 10 form. So I had this number given to me. As a reminder, we want to start with taking this number that we're given in this base 10 form and write it in a standard form so that we know what number we're actually working with. So standard form is that number form that we are looking at. So we're going to start with our ones place and start working our way up. So I know that my ones place are these dots or the unit squares that we have here, the little cubies. And I have 1, 2. So I'm going to write 2. Then I'm going to start with my tens place, and I see that I have 1, 2, 3 tens. So I'm going to write that number in. And then I see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds, or the flats here that have 100 in them. So I'm going to write a 4. And after 3 numbers, if we have another number, we add our comma here for Mr. Thousand. Then we're going to count our thousands here, and I have 1. So I now know that my number that I have in base 10 form right here is in standard form. So I have 1,432. Well, then I can then write this number in another form. So then I could do it in expanded form. And as a reminder, we're going to start in our highest place value and work our way down. So I'm going to start with 1,000 because I put zeros in everything to the place to the right because I write the number that this digit is worth. And we know that this 1 is worth 1,000 little cubes. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the next place value, and I'm in my 100 spot, and I do have a number. And I know that this 4 isn't meaning just 4, it's 4 hundreds or 400. So I'm going to write 400. Then the next thing I know is I have 3 tens or 30. So I'm going to write 30. And then in my last place value, I have a 2. So I'm going to put plus 2, and that's just 2 ones. So now I have base 10 form, I have standard form, and I have expanded form, which then means I just need my word form. And as a reminder, with our word form, we write the number how we would read it. So I have 1,432. So I'm going to start off by saying 1,000. And then just like I would with it, I'd put my comma. And then I have 400. So I'm going to write 400. And then 30 hyphen 2. So now I have this number in every single form. And I can do that with each different type of thing that I'm given. So then let's say, as another example, that I'm given the following. Okay, so again, I should write this in standard form first. So as a reminder, when we're writing standard form from expanded form, which is what this is, I'm going to start in my ones place value and work my way up to the highest place value. So I know that I need to have all 4 of these places to make sure that my number fills everything that I need to. So my ones place is right here. I have tens, I have hundreds, and I have thousands. So in my ones place, I just have 4. In my tens place, I have 50, which if we remember, we're going to just write the 5. Because we just want how many tens do I have, and 50 is 5 tens. Then I have hundreds. I don't have any hundreds. So what am I going to do? Oh, that's right. I put a 0 because if I don't have any, I don't just leave it blank. I have to put a filler number in there. And then I have 3,000. So now I know that I have 3,054. Well, then that means I can write my word form. So let's do that from 3,054. Let me make some space here in my chaos. So I know that I need the word 3,000, comma, I'm not writing any hundreds because I don't have any, and I need 50 hyphen 4. Now I can also do my base 10 form. If we, remember, our dots represent a cube, our sticks equal tens, our flats or squares equal 100, and our cubes equal 1,000. So let's start with our ones place. I've got 4 ones. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 5 tens, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 0 hundreds, so I'm not going to draw any of my flats or my squares. I'm going to go right to my thousands. And I know that I need to have 3 of them. So here I have 3,054. So we can use all the skills that we've learned to do, but when we are given a number that's not in standard form, so if it's in word form, expanded form, or base 10 form, we always want to make sure that we put the number first in standard form off of what we're given, because then it makes all the rest of the things that we do easier. And if we can do that, then we can meet today's goal of being able to write a number in standard form, expanded form, word form, and base 10 form when we're given any form of a number. So I can't wait to see your hard work on today's math lesson. Bye guys, enjoy the rest of your day.